That was Taya.
Hey, what are you guys doing under the Christmas tree? What do you like? What do you like about Christmas, Taya?
I like about Christmas that Santa Claus comes and gives us presents.
What about you, Kaylee? What do you like?
I like when I decorate my Christmas tree and when my mommy and tells Santa what I want for Christmas and Santa gives me it, and I love my present.
And what about you, Ira? What do you like?
I like Santa to give me a full present to give me and Santa take the car from me that I want.
Okay, and Iya, what do you like?
Giving cookies and milk to Santa.
Ooh, what about Adrian? What do you like? What do you love about Christmas?
I like decorating my Christmas.
The what?
The Christmas.
You love Christmas? And Tyler, what do you love about Christmas?
I like presents.
Ooh, what about Adrian again?
I like to decorate the trees.
Oh, good. Everybody say, Merry Christmas.
Merry